going on, world? It's your nutritional wellness guy, me, Chef D, and I'm back with another Nutri-tip. Today is all about the eggs. So I guess you would say I'm egg-cited or ecstatic or exaggerating all the words I can use with eggs. Or you may just be like, he's being extra as usual. Yeah, probably. But I want to ask you, do you have a problem with that? Oh, exactly what I thought. All right, well, let's get right into it. Let's talk about the wonderful benefits of eggs. Eggs are a complete protein, which means it has all the essential amino acids that your body can use for weight loss, for muscle gain or lean, as well as optimum bone health. Now, in addition to that, it's loaded with nutrients. So we got vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin E, potassium, selenium, iron, calcium, you name it, the egg got it. Now, the egg, about one egg, you can get about 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, and about 5 grams of fat. In addition to those benefits, eggs are loaded with choline, which is a great component for improving metabolism as well as brain development. And its cousin, they might be related, I don't know, lutein, which has also been known to help with the effects of aging eyes, as well as, boom, that was a drum roll, by the way, as well as helping with macular degeneration. Yikes! Eggs, another health hack, another healthiest health hack approved. And remember, health is wealth, and I'm just here to make sure you're getting paid. Until next time, yum.